be so fun to get pulled in a wheelbarrow.
Just sit down nice and good, okay?
Okay.
Well, it feels pretty good to get all that out of there. Now the mason has the best access possible to that stone wall. So he's gonna start working. He's gonna start working through here. Basically all I had to do was remove everything away from the wall. And over here I got to move all the wood again. So I have access to everything. Be able to put the boxes up now. So do you guys want to say the goodbye thing?
Thank you for watching and see you next week.